Our Skills Development Fund grant is our premier job training program in the state. It supports the development and the implementation of customized training throughout the state. And it really is a win-win situation. The employer gets the benefit of getting that custom trained workforce that they're looking for and really helping their workforce to have that competitive edge and their business to get that competitive edge. And the employee benefits by getting that high quality training and an opportunity to start a career in a high demand field. Since the inception of this grant, over 342,000 jobs have been created and over 4,200 employers have been assisted with their customized training needs. So we see the value and the impact of this program. We're excited to be able to continue it going forward, and we're really glad that you all are taking advantage of it. The grant that we're presenting today in the amount of $345,600 is going to provide customized training to 192 new specialized coordinators and technicians for the State of Texas Access Reform Kids Program, or the STAR program, much easier to say. And that's 192 Texans that are going to have that opportunity for professional development and gain proficiency in these high demand skills. The STAR Kids is going to be the first Medicaid managed care program for children and youth with disabilities, and it was developed for children diagnosed with health conditions such as multiple sclerosis, spina bifida, blindness, and others. And I really appreciated Dr. Peterson's story earlier because it is an example of many of the impact of this program and how wonderful it's going to be to continue to support training in this area. The trainees are going to get instruction in neonatal, pediatric, patient care services, health assessments, and orientation to STAR Kids. And you're going to see the impact that this grant is going to have on the community and how it's going to lead to proper care for children who need this specialized care. The coordinators and the technicians are going to make $26.96 an hour, which is $7 more than the average salary for the area. Not to mention that the regional impact of this grant is estimated at $29.7 million. After the completion of this grant, the Del Mar College program is going to continue to see the benefits of this through the curriculum development and the equipment that's going to help train future healthcare hopeful employees or the community in the healthcare area. So I'm very excited that Corpus is taking advantage of this, really leading by example in terms of what can be done through the partnerships with your local community college and your business and your workforce solutions. And the Workforce Commission is very excited to get to be your partner in this and really commend you for taking this opportunity to address your workforce needs.
We had 192 employees who've been trained through this grant, and this grants provide training and onboarding for 192 employees, providing over 30,700 hours of training for our staff members so that they're prepared to provide the best quality of care for some of the sickest kids in South Texas, and that's the mission of Driscoll Hospital. And I'd like to especially acknowledge Lenora Keys and Mary Afuso with Del Mar College in all of your help with us throughout this process and getting us connected for this opportunity, and always looking for ways to partner with Driscoll and help us with training opportunities for our staff. And they do that for Driscoll, they do that for the community, and it's making a difference for the kids of South Texas in our community. So we appreciate that very much. Thank you. And thank you for Commissioner Hughes and the Texas Workforce Commission. Thanks very much.